Hi intellectual friends.
Today I'm going to show you the world's worst
Intellectual makeup tutorial. If you are sapiosexual and underrating, please watch at your own discretion.
UX Podcast Episode 112.
Hacking the nervous system. When Maria Frind, a former gymnast from Volendam in the Netherlands, found that the only way she could put her socks on in the morning was to lie on her back with her feet in the air.
Do you remember that game Telephone? It's where you sit in a circle and whisper a sentence from one person to the next, to the next, to the next, until you get back to the beginning. At the end, everybody laughs because the original sentence has changed into something totally different from what it started as. Well, when we played this at school, my teacher liked to pinpoint exactly where the major changes happened, and then we would all know who it was that messed up. I hated that game because the one to mess it up was always me. And one of the hardest words for me to pronounce as a child was my own name, Meryl.
November 11th is Veterans Day, a national holiday in the US commemorating those who fought for America and observed here in San Diego as in other cities. Just a couple of streets away from this parade, neuroscientists are reporting their work on the effects of combat on the brain.
Tony Dorsett experienced moments of glory. He also took blows to the head.
Have you ever eaten too many potatoes and fell asleep? And when you did, your leg started twitching and woke you up? And maybe, even when that happened, you were dreaming you were falling? That happens to a lot of people. See, that twitching experience you had is what's called a hypnic jerk.
This is a warning. If you think this is some random shallow stuff you find on the internet, you're mistaken.
We shall end on a positive note.
The goal of this morning meditation is to switch on the happiness button in your brain to help you have a magical day. I love myself unconditionally.
First of all, I love you, and you can do anything you put your mind to.
You need to love people. I love everybody.